Welcome to the United Arab Emirates, the land of metropolitan cities, desert, and ocean. Our journey begins in the fashionable Dubai Marina. Dozens of skyscrapers have grown on the embankment along the channel bearing the same name. Many of them are taller than 300 meters. One of the giants of Dubai Marina is the Cayenne Tower, rising at 306 meters. It is remarkable for its fascinating architecture. Dubai Marina is the largest marina in the Middle East. It is an artificial canal being 500 meters wide, where the waters of the Persian Gulf have been redirected. It stretches for 3 kilometers, and luxurious buildings with house hotels, restaurants, shops, and residential apartments rise along its banks. The skyscraper in shades of blue is the Iris Blue Building, rising at 118 meters. It was built in 2008, and 2 years later, 2 towers of the Grosvenor House, named after the London Hotel, appeared nearby. And in the distance, the skyline is sketched up by the Al Mas Tower, a spectacular 360-meter-high skyscraper. In front of us, there is Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, 828 meters. We are now flying over Sheikh Zayed Road, the main and longest street in Dubai. It runs along the coast and is part of the largest highway in the United Arab Emirates, E11. It was named after the former president of the country, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Let's take a look at the magnificent waterfront. The towers already familiar to us are surrounded by other elite buildings. One of the 380 meters tall skyscrapers is indeed called so, Elite Residence. When it was built, it was the 3rd tallest building in the world. Another huge building in this ensemble is the 414-meter Princess Tower, designed in the postmodern style. It is crowned with a dome and a spire. Today, we will also fly over the Dubai Palm Islands, which are scattered alongside. Now in front of us is the Palm Jumeirah, an island that outlines the shape of a palm tree. The first hotel on the island is Atlantis the Palm, built on top of the palm. Its creators were inspired by the myth of Atlantis. It is decorated in a nautical style and has several underwater rooms. And this is another artificial archipelago of Dubai, the world. It looks like 300 islands scattered chaotically, but this is not so. Together, they make up a map of the world with all its continents. Flying close to Palm Jumeirah along the coast, we approached the Arab Tower, the Burj Al Arab Hotel. Its recognizable silhouette, following the contours of a sailing vessel, has become the genuine landmark of Dubai. The hotel is 321 meters tall and has been welcoming guests since 1999. The 60-story building stands on an artificial island. There is a helipad and a restaurant at an altitude of 210 meters. Close to it, but already on the shoreline, there is the Jumeirah Beach Hotel. Its shape resembles a wave, accompanied by the sail of the Arab Tower. This hotel is not so tall. There are only 26 floors, but it contains more than 600 rooms. And this is how this wave looks from the side of the city. And despite the abundance of beaches, there are water parks in Dubai. Wild Wadi Water Park next to the Jumeirah Beach Hotel is one of them. It covers 49,000 square meters. Now we find ourselves in another emirate, Abu Dhabi, and its main city bearing the same name. You see Yas Marina, the Formula One circuit. The track with 21 turns runs along the coast and goes into the dunes. And that's how the Emirates look without human intervention. In front of you, there is the desert of the Arabian Peninsula, which is the fourth largest in the world. Its area within the United Arab Emirates is called Rub al Khali. On the northwest coast of Abu Dhabi, there is the spectacular Corniche Promenade. This is the most popular walking area in the city. Close to the beach, you can see the 324-meter landmark tower skyscraper, the second tallest in the city. first highest building is the Burj Muhammad bin Rashid Tower, 381 meters high. It is part of the World Trade Center complex. We see it ahead of the horizon. The city of Abu Dhabi is located on an island in the southeastern part of the Persian Gulf, 250 meters from the mainland. It is connected to the mainland by several large road bridges. And that is how we became acquainted with a bright oriental fairy tale. The dynamic Emirates pressed against the sea by the endless desert.